Juegazo, gente. Metal Gear Solid 5, gente. The Phantom Pain. Juegazo, Que viene juegazo, gente. Hola. Guapa eres, tía. Luego la rubita también. Ahí viene Bombón a ponerme flores. Hostia. Ah. Me gusta tú más que las flores. Hola.
Kdo chceme?
¿Qué está pasando?
V has come to.
Phantom Pain.
V has come to.
Estrategia, espionaje, operaciones. Vámonos. Juego guapísimo, gente.
Ακούσμε.
Prólogo, el despertar.
Ακούσμε.
Mira, estamos despertando en el hospital. ¡Ay, campeón! Mira como llueve, gente.
Are you having difficulty speaking?
Yes,
Can
yes.
you move your head?
Sí, derecha, izquierda. ¿Te gusta?
Just nod if you can hear me.
Que sí, te escucho, sí.
Look up, please. Very good.
Muy bien.
How do you feel now? Can you
Me
speak?
siento genial.
What is your name?
Snake.
When were you born? Can you recall? Good. Now then. Please try to relax. There is plenty of time. I need to tell you something. Please listen and try not to panic. You've been in a coma for quite some time. Yes, I know. You would like to know how long. I'm afraid it's been 9 years.
Me da un infarto.
Nosocoma! 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 Nurse! Calm down. Calm down. Try not to panic. Déjeme. Try not to panic. You'll
Estabilizado.
be all right.
A dormir.
There now.
Ah, quiero jugar, quiero matar gente.
Just rest.
Quiero matar gente. Una semana después de haber
How do you
despertado. ¿Cómo te sientes? Muy bien. Hola, guapa.
It's been 1 week since you came to. Now, let's try getting you out of that bed. Nurse,
Empezaba el doctor.
don't worry. You've lost some strength, but we've been maintaining your muscle mass through massages, CPM therapy, and EMS. Now, I need to explain something to you, but you mustn't be alarmed. 9 years ago, you were injured in an explosion.
Dios. Es que me disparan
Upon
con escopeta.
examination, we discovered 108 foreign bodies
Dos
embedded
cuerpos
within.
extraños. Una explosión.
In addition to
Pasa, gente, buenas.
shrapnel, we also found fragments
¿Qué pasa,
of human
Sánchez?
bone and human teeth.
Aquí dándole al Metal Gear, tío, el Phantom
Most of
Pain.
it was removed.
Ya lo tuve en Play 3, tío. Ahora vamos a acabárnoslo aquí.
Some of the fragments
En el directito.
still remain. They are located near your heart and in your skull.
Vamos a darle caña. A ver si es verdad, Sánchez. Ya hace un par de meses que no te veo.
The fragments are lodged deep within your cerebral cortex.
Sí, está muy guapo, ¿eh?
We couldn't give you an MRI.
Los
The
gráficos
metal
que
is-
flipas.
But even if we were to extract it, you would most likely suffer a brain hemorrhage.
Sí, a mí me gusta más ver a la tía esta.
Mental and physical impairment are unavoidable. However, your current status is not life-threatening. One more thing. This X-ray is of your upper body.
Sin brazo, me quedé sin
You
último
better
brazo.
now. Best to understand your situation sooner than later. I know it's difficult, but please look down. It's best to see with your own eyes. Be brave.
Es el otro. Misma Snake sin brazo.
No se coma, Grigor. Try to calm down. Calm down.
Me vuelvo loco, eh.
Calm down. It's gonna be okay. Yes. Calm down. Yes.
Otra vez a dormir.
Yes.
Venga, a dormir un rato. Mira, que ya quiero mi caballo y reventar peña, macho. No, hermano, después de haber despertado otra vez. Me viene el doctor.
It's true. There are those who wish you would never woken up. You should be dead, but you're not. The wheels are in motion. Your enemies are everywhere. We must alter your appearance immediately. Otherwise, I fear you won't leave this place alive. It's a wide open world up there, so there's something we need to take care of first.
A ver. Si soy el de siempre, más viejo.
I'm going to change your appearance. We have no other choice. What you look like, however.
Qué feo estoy. Venga, dame un arma ya, hombre. Punto de control. Pero yo quiero el Snake de siempre, coño. ¿Me vas a dar un Rubiales? A ver. Que está todo... Sí, pero esto para jugar online. Online. Venga, este mismo. Sí, sí, yo también te quiero. A ver, vamos a ver qué podemos hacer aquí. Pelo. Peinado. Así. Así mismo. Bien. Listo.
Very good. Now let's remove these bandages. Your face has healed nicely. To tell you the truth, these bandages were more for your protection. To hide you from those who want you dead. As of today, your name is Ahab. Forget everything. Your name. Your
¡No!
past.
¡Le están matando! ¡Me van a matar! Se los mato yo a todos. Hombre, si estoy yo ahí. Qué guapo. Y allí también.
This is you, as
Oh,
you've lived until this day. Tomorrow, it becomes a phantom.
He perdido el ojo. Es una chica, me quiere muerto.
Not yet. The patient in the next bed saw my face. Of course. Consider it done.
¿Quién eres tú? ¡No! Y mi compañero. Dale caña, dale caña. Tírala por la ventana. Vale, esta mujer sabe pelear, No es una tontería, Rápido. No me mates. Juegazo. Menudos gráficos que tiene. Cuando veáis el desierto, es una pasada. Ahí, quémate, quémate. Tírate por la ventana. La mujer es el demonio. Aún me quiere matar aún. Venga, que me dé un arma. Oh, mi brazo.
Okay, have time to go.
What happened to the woman?
Rocky,
The woman?
compórtate.
We gave her a light. She took the short way down.
Vámonos, que tenemos que salir de este hospital como sea.
Who am I?
Me quieren matar.
You're talking to yourself. Been watching over you for 9 years. You can call me Ismail.
Ismael.
What the hell is going on?
Well, the good news is, you're in the land of the living. Bad news? The world wants you dead. On your feet, soldier. The whole place is coming down.
Es que no puedo conmigo. No tengo
Need a
ni
little pick-me-up? Okay. Here.
adrenalina.
Nothing like a little digoxin to get you back in the game. Come on!
Míralo ahí. Ya, muévete, que pareces un zombie. Si me muevo, no, me mata. Le pesa el culo al tío este.
Get over
Mándate.
here.
No,
Drug's not working.
muévete, venga. Han matado a la enfermera.
We're getting out of here. Move it.
Vamos a salir de aquí. Muévete, hombre. ¿Te mueves o no? Problemas, hay problemas. Helicóptero. Aquí vamos a tener movida.
Let's take the stairs.
Por las escaleras. Venga, muévete, tío. ¿Me pesa el culo o qué?
This way.
Se le ve el culo. Esa silla de ruedas es para mí. Y subir al sofá. Venga, arriba, hombre.
This isn't gonna work. We better take the elevator.
Se te ve el culo, tío. Ponte algo de ropa, hombre. Cuando me dejen libre, tío, va a estar guapísimo el juego. En modo abierto, guapísimo. Muy grande, extensión, el mapa es enorme. Oh. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso?
What the hell is that?
Ya estoy por el Oh, yeah, baby. ¡Qué cago! ¡Me estoy cagando de miedo!
Something's coming.
Se ha vuelto loco el ascensor. Dios. Por el aire. shock. Se quema mi compi. Tengo que escapar de aquí como sea. A ti ya te maté una vez. Lo ha quemado todo. A ver si salimos vivos de ahí. Vamos a quedar los cascos. Y nos movemos. Venga, levántate de una vez, hombre. ¿Estás todo el día agachado o qué? Ahora me quemo. Loki, ¿qué pasa? Bueno, ahora tiene el brazo roto, ¿qué? Ya era hora. Ya me puedo levantar. ¿Qué está pasando ahí? Un helicóptero.
Hold up, let's fix this.
Brazo desnocado.
Next time, do it yourself. It's always good to try and mend your injuries while hiding from the enemy. Over there.
Bien ahí. Los Spectrans. No pinta bien. Granada de humo. Algo tiene.
Let's go.
Vamos a tener movida aquí. ¿Te mueves o qué?
This way, hurry. Get down.
Muévete, tío. Debajo de la cama. Oh, oh.
Help me, please.
A dormir. Oh, que viene otra vez este cabrón. Uy, 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 uy. Está viendo. Mi tarjeta. Venga, a ver si podemos salir de aquí ya de una vez.
Let's move.
Pues venga, vámonos. Y para aquí.
Help me. I don't want to die.
Hay que viene de vuelta.
Here! Over here!
Nada, vamos a matar a dos.
Time to walk. Press the stance like to stand up. Don't get caught in those searchlights. Here they come. Hurry.
Corre, güey.
Move. Go. Hurry. This way. Shit! It's unfamiliar. Turn back. This way. I'm Grigola. Come on.
Σας παρακαλώ. Τι συμβαίνει?
Tiene que haber movida ahí.
Θα μας σκοτώσουνε.
Ναι, τον είδα πριν λίγο.
What's happening out there?
It's all right. We'll be okay.
Can't see what's happening.
¿Qué están viendo esas?
Do you hear that? What's going on out there?
Oh, close again.
We're safe in here? Hey! Hey! Hey!
I can't see what's happening.
What is that? What's happening out there? Does anybody know?
Hey!
You should be okay. You hear them coming?
Mi amigo. La hoja de culo.
Please, please.
de ahí, no te muevas de ahí.
Anything? Negative. He came in here. Keep looking. This way. This way.
We're sitting ducks. Blend in with the bodies. Get down on your stomach and crawl. If you move, we're done for. Play dead.
Invisible. Hola. Como apunte. Bueno, que nos vamos a quemar a todos. Se está mirando. Me van a ver, ¿o qué? Ahí está, otra vez ese.
Grenade! Take this!
Me ha hecho una pierna. Dale caña. Lo va a reventar, digo.
Damn it! Incoming! Move!
Impacto, muévete. taberna. Sale de agua. De agua, cabrón. Ahí está. ¡Yo!
Hold on. We better stop and treat that injury. We'll have to take the stairs down.
Ven, cabrón. De arma para mí, ese. Ahí está.
Know how to shoot a gun? Hold down the aim button to aim. Then press the attack button to fire. Destroy it.
Sí, aquí va a haber movida.
I'll run interference.
Máquina, digo. Que no la puedo reventar por detrás. Apúntale, coño. Creo que acaba de venirse por mí. ¡Paren! Gambas, gambas. Dale un tiro a ver si lo revienta. Basta bien. Escapa, sube al tanque. Y que salga como sea. Dispara. El tanque no le hace nada, pero la ambulancia lo reventó.
Get in!
Lleno de acción este juego. ¿Qué es eso? Una ballena. Hostia, era un fénix. Ah, un caballo. ¿Qué pasa con esos dos, tío? ¿Me quieren matar?
Get on! I'm on your side!
Ayúdame.
Hurry! Hurry! Hang on! Use this! Watch our backs! Shoot him! Shoot him! Don't let him attack! Careful, that gun's slow to reload!
Estoy viendo, colega.
Watch it! You're vulnerable when you reload!
Bájate, brother.
You get him?
Yo te viento.
Shook him off.
No, no tengo munición. ¿Y ahora qué hago?
You lost your mind! Shoot him! Now! I see it! The harbor!
¡Adiós, tío! ¡Vámonos! ¡Lo matan! ¡Ahí salta! ¡Los leones! Se pone a llover, perfecto. Bueno, no está mal. Una S. Otra vez este aquí. Está lloviendo.
Come on.
The name's Ocelot. Big boss. You know who I am. A certain man gave me a job to do. Two, actually. First was to get you out of that hospital. The second was to rescue the man himself. You remember? Your partner 9 years ago, Kazuhira Miller. 9 years back, your private army came under attack by Cypher. You were considered dead. Until today, that is, when Cypher found you. And it's not just them. The whole world wants you dead. You'll have to join up with Miller. Build that private army of yours one more time. It's your only chance. First, we need to save Miller. He's in Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
What, you can't keep up with world affairs in a coma? 4 years ago, the Soviets invaded Afghanistan. The Muslims are fighting back with Western support. Miller was training Mujahideen rebels when he was captured by the Soviets. The Reds' 40th Army. Troop strength somewhere around 100,000. The squad holding Miller set off near the Pakistan border yesterday. Now, in 3 days, they'll reach the Soviet garrison. They'll be interrogated for a few more days, and it's off to a lager. Or left to rot in a ditch on Afghan soil. I give him 2 weeks. The job didn't mean anything to Miller. He only took it on to keep you safe. Well, there's our ride. It's a whaling ship. Had a pretty good deal on her once the IWC started raising a stink. Now it's 7 days to Port Qasim, another 3 overland. So we won't have much time once we're there. Don't take too long getting used to your new self. Hang on.